The top 30 products on the market for software testing teams. Robot Framework. Robot Framework is a Python-based open-source test automation framework. It started out as a Nokia network project in 2005 before becoming open source in 2008. Since then, it has remained a popular testing tool in many circles. Bugzilla. Bugzilla has been finding defects since 1998. Despite its senior status, its flexibility, reliability, and robust feature set mean that the tool is still widely used today. LoadRunner. LoadRunner is another test automation tool from Micro Focus. It started out in the 90s before Hewlett-Packard acquired the software in 2006. It's been going for so long that it's earned a lot of respect and reverence. However, it's no relic. It's still a good option for teams looking to perform load and performance testing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and visit our website ZAPTEST.AI today.